Hi, I'm Peter Carney from My Food Garden, and we're in our food garden here in Draper, and it's now week 16 since we started it in late December. And so it's started as grass, and then it's gone through a soil improvement process, relying a lot on biodynamic soil preparations. And we've designed a whole layout here of 9 beds going down the slope, and they're split in. We've notionally split them in half, and we have a planting rotation pattern in here. And so I wanted to talk briefly about the planting that has happened in this bed over the last 4 weeks, now that the soil has become ready. So let's go down to this middle bed here, and we'll chat about a few of the beds here. This is our wide middle path where we can easily wheel a barrow down the path. And you can see to the side here, this is a fruiting bed here. And it has tomatoes staked, and then behind it, there's a climbing frame with cucumbers coming up. And so here you can see the cucumbers climbing up the wire. So we're trying to really optimise the production out of the space by having the staked tomatoes in the front and the cucumbers climbing at the back. Okay. And down in these spaces in between the tomatoes, there's some parsley. Alright, so we move down this way, and we still have fruiting crops along this bed here. But there are peas in the front, snow peas along the climbing frame, and bush beans at the front. And this bed here is zucchini. As you can see, these beautiful big zucchinis. And they're all growing very, very leafy, and the flowers are starting to come on, and there's a female there which is about to open and be pollinated with the male flowers that are here. So yeah, that'll be our first fruit on these, and these plants have been in now for 4 weeks, so they're quite big, and we've had a lot of rain recently. So when we turn around and look back this way, around here at this bed, you can see this one is a leafy bed, and this has a mixture of Asian greens and beets and rocket and lettuce and coriander mixed in. So this is a leafing bed, whereas this one here is a root bed. So it has garlic on the sides. There's 60 garlics there that are all coming up nicely. Beetroots in the middle, and then down here are leeks. We put a lot of leeks in our garden this year. In these 18 beds that we have, there's probably 300 or 400 leeks. We really love our leeks. Down here, another leafy bed, and further down a strawberry bed. So there's this whole pattern of leaf, flower, fruit and root beds, and we do a rotation pattern around those, and I work with those in our workshop. So everything is growing beautifully here, and it's wonderful to see how productive the space can be, and we're only just finishing month 4, so it's fantastic. And the weather has smiled on us in the last 4 weeks with lots of nice rain, so everything is growing, responding beautifully. So that's it for now. It's Peter Carney from My Food Garden. Thank you.